In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach multiple files in Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to add several documents, photos, or PDFs to a single email quickly and confidently on the Gmail website, with a couple of reliable methods and a few helpful tips. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and clicking Compose to create a new message. In the message window, look along the bottom toolbar for the paperclip icon labeled Attach Files, and click it. This opens your computer's file chooser, where you'll select everything you want to include. Here's the key to picking more than one file at once. On Windows or Linux, hold the Control key while you click each file you want. On a Mac, hold the Command key while clicking. If your files are in a continuous list, use Shift instead. Click the first file, hold Shift, then click the last file to highlight the entire range in between. Take your time here, single-click to select rather than double-click so you don't accidentally open a file. When you've selected everything you need, click Open, sometimes labeled Attach. Gmail will begin uploading all chosen files, and you'll see them appear beneath your message as they finish. Give them a moment to complete the upload before you move on. If you prefer, you can skip the paperclip and use drag and drop. Open the folder on your computer. Select multiple files using the same Control or Command clicks, or the Shift range method, then drag the selection directly into the Gmail Compose window. Release the mouse, and Gmail will attach them all at once. This approach is fast and works especially well when your files are already organized in one place. After the attachments appear in the draft, add your recipient, subject, and message. It's a good idea to glance over the attachment list to confirm everything you intended is there and fully uploaded. Keep in mind that Gmail allows multiple attachments as long as the combined size is about 25 megabytes or less. If the total is larger, Gmail automatically uploads those files to Google Drive and inserts links in your email instead of traditional attachments. That's normal and often more reliable for big files, and your recipient will be able to access them through the links. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the paperclip or drag and drop, selecting with Control or Command, or using Shift for arrange, you can attach multiple files in just a few clicks. Send your email when everything looks good and you're done.